Costco employees are quietly begging you not to skip these 10 deals. Spend smart. If you shop at Costco, you've probably walked past a life-changing deal without even realizing it. And no, we're not talking about the obvious bulk packs of toilet paper or the 5-pound rotisserie chicken. We're talking about the real gold, the insider deals Costco employees wish more shoppers knew about. In fact, one employee said it best, these items are hidden in plain sight, so good they feel like a reward for paying attention. Whether you're a casual Costco cruiser or a die-hard deal hunter, if you're skipping these 10 items, you're leaving serious value and flavor on the table. Let's jump into the top 10 most overlooked Costco deals, as revealed by the people who work there. And once you see number 1, you may never shop the same way again. 10. Mega pack of 100 frozen chocolate chip cookies, $15. One employee went viral on TikTok for calling out this overlooked gem in the freezer section. She said, "It never gets enough love, but it's one of the best deals in the entire warehouse." She's talking about the 100 pack of frozen chocolate chip cookies, a box so discreet it barely looks like anything special. No signs, no samples, just a humble brown box buried in the back of the freezer. But here's the magic. They're premium bakery-grade cookies, buttery rich, and loaded with melty chocolate chips. At just 15 cents per cookie, it's like your favorite local bakery forgot to advertise their best deal, and only Costco workers got the memo. These aren't cheap sugar bombs. They bake up like gourmet desserts and solve real-life problems. Bake sales, midnight cravings, last-minute guests. According to insiders, it's the first item they recommend to their friends. Why? Because it always delivers. Spend smart tip. Don't sleep on it. Stock your freezer and thank yourself later. 9. Cinnamon sugar loaf cake, $9.99. This isn't just a bakery item. It's a cult favorite. So much so that when it was removed from shelves for a few weeks, customers caused a mild uproar. One employee said, "We didn't have answers and people were genuinely upset. This soft, moist loaf, coated with cinnamon sugar, tastes like a trip back in time, like your grandmother's baking but without the mess." It's not just dessert, it's comfort food that makes Costco's bakery more than just muffins and croissants. And here's the kicker. It sells out before noon on weekends at certain locations. Spend smart tip. If you see it, grab it. No guarantees it'll stay forever, and once it's gone, it could be gone for good. 8. Kirkland's signature imported basil pesto, $8 to $10. This isn't your average jar of green sauce. Imported from Italy and made with real Genovese basil and authentic Parmigiano Reggiano, Kirkland's pesto is what restaurant kitchens would use if they could buy it for this price. It's thick, fresh, and bursting with flavor. People are putting it on pasta, sandwiches, roasted vegetables, pizza, you name it. One shopper said, "I used to spend $7 on a tiny jar of rouse. Now I hoard this stuff." Spend smart tip. This is how you bring 5-star flavor into your home kitchen for under $10. Real food, real savings. 7. Kirkland's signature grass-fed butter, $8 for 2 blocks. Imported from Ireland and made from the milk of grass-fed cows, this butter is next level. We're talking restaurant quality, the kind of butter chefs use to elevate even the simplest dishes. Costco employees say it's their secret weapon for holidays, family dinners, even toast. One shopper said, "My sister thought I hired a caterer. Nope, just use this butter." Spend smart tip, buy it, freeze it, repeat. It transforms food without transforming your budget. 6. Kirkland organic maple syrup, $12.99 for 1 liter. Here's how you know this syrup is the real deal. Vermont natives buy it. If that doesn't say authentic, nothing will. Unlike the syrup you see at other stores loaded with high fructose corn syrup, this is pure, organic maple syrup tapped straight from Canadian trees. And at $13 for a liter, it's practically a steal. Once you try it, you won't go back. One dad said, "My kids called it breakfast gold. They now call the old stuff fake syrup." Spend smart tip. Pour it, drizzle it, marinate with it. You'll invent reasons to use it. 5. Fairlife protein shakes, $18 for a 12-pack. Here's a favorite of Costco employees who work long shifts or hit the gym before clocking in. These protein shakes cost nearly $4 each outside of Costco, but here, less than $2 a bottle. Smooth, satisfying, high-protein, low-sugar. No chalky taste, just clean fuel that keeps you going. Whether you're skipping breakfast, post-workout, or avoiding junk food at 2 p.m., this is your answer. Spend smart tip. Health food doesn't have to cost more. This is one case where bulk beats boutique. 4. Cauliflower crust pizza. $13 for 2 pizzas. Healthy frozen meals usually disappoint, either overpriced or bland. But Costco's gluten-free cauliflower crust pizza flips the script. One employee admitted, "I was skeptical. Then I tried it. Now it's always in my freezer." Crispy, cheesy, and loaded with real toppings, it's the kind of pizza you can serve without apology. One shopper said, "I gave it to my husband. Didn't tell him it was cauliflower. He asked for seconds." Spend smart tip. Keep it stocked for those busy nights. Healthier doesn't have to mean boring. 3. Members Mark laundry detergent from Sam's Club, $13 for 196 ounces. Wait, what? A Sam's Club product in a Costco list? Yes, because even Costco employees quietly admit they buy members Mark laundry detergent online. Why? It's stronger, lasts longer, and costs way less. One stocker said, "I love where I work, but I don't mess around with laundry." It's an insider tip you'd only hear if you knew someone behind the scenes. And now you do. Spend smart tip. Don't pay for flashy labels. Pay for what works. 2. Kirkland dog food and treats, $30 for a large bag. Costco employees with pets aren't buying boutique pet food. They're buying Kirkland signature dog food, and they swear by it. Made with real meat, high-quality nutrients, and no sketchy fillers, this food has dogs thriving, especially picky eaters. One woman said, "My lab wouldn't eat anything until this. Now he waits by the bowl." Some vets even quietly recommend it over prescription brands. Spend smart tip. Smart pet parents don't just read the label, they trust the source. This one checks all the boxes. 1. The $1.50 hot dog and soda combo since 1985. This isn't just a hot dog, it's a symbol. $1.50 since 1985, no inflation, no shrinkflation. While everything else in the world costs more, this combo stands strong. Costco's co-founder even famously said, "We'll kill the guy who tries to raise the price." Employees call it the backbone of the company. Members treat it like a ritual. One dad said, "I used to get this with my dad. Now I bring my son." Spend smart tip. Sometimes value isn't just in savings. It's in keeping promises. This isn't lunch. It's legacy. Final thoughts from Spend Smart. Shopping at Costco isn't just about saving money. It's about knowing where to save it. These 10 deals are the quiet legends that never make it to flashy ads or viral videos. But Costco employees see it all. And when they choose something for themselves or their families, you better believe it's the real deal. So let us ask you, how many of these hidden gems have you walked past without noticing? How much value has been sitting just 20 feet away, quietly waiting for someone to spend smart, not more? If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Spend Smart. We're not here for hype. We're here to make every dollar work harder for your meals, your pets, your family, and your future. Because at the end of the day, it's not about buying more. It's about buying better. Coming up next. Don't miss our next video, where we expose the 7 psychological tricks Costco uses to make you spend more without even realizing it. Trust us, you will never look at those aisles the same way again. Stay smart. Stay sharp. Stay Spend Smart.